today we are going to do pasta, homemade pasta. So these are all the ingredients that we have. Let me go closer. Flour, you can use plain flour, that doesn't matter. I'm using bread flour today, and eggs, salt, and a little bit of virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to weigh my ingredients and then show you what we're going to do. Alright, so the first ingredients that we are going to use will be the flour. So I'm going to weigh that. So I'm leveling off my scale. Okay. Yeah. And then we're going to use 400 grams of flour. What we're going to do now, we're going to use the surface area. I already cleaned the surface area. So I'm going to pour the flour on. And we are going to make a well. And we are going to use 4 eggs. Alright, so I already add the salt into it already. I blend the salt, so I'm going to add the eggs. Yeah, you put the yolk in. Yeah. I'm using 4. Alright, so I have the egg. I'm going to mix some into it first, and then I add the rest after, because it's actually runny. So I put 2 in first, and then I'm going to put the other 2 after. Get a little messy, but that's fine. So we're going to combine, we're going to add the olive oil in just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And then we're going to combine. A little bit messy, but that's fine. All we're doing is combining the egg with the flour to make a dough. Some person use gloves. It's combining the yolk and the white into. It's getting there. Don't want the video to be so long. Alright, so we're kneading it, so we form it now. We didn't do anything special more than knead the dough. Just like how you're making that dumpling and you knead the dough, that's how you do it. So we're going to put it to rest for 30 minutes and then we'll come back. I'm gonna split it in two. I'm gonna put it in two and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna wrap it with cling film. Yeah. And then we come back. I'm gonna wrap it and then we come back. Alright, so in the meantime we're waiting for the pasta to prove a little bit. I'm going to show you the pasta maker. So this is the pasta maker. There are three sides. One part for you to feed in, and the next two top part is for you to cut in different sizes. If you don't have a machine, you can use your knife and cut in even strips. But the pasta maker will make it life easier for you. So this is it, and it has two sections. One, this part is for you to hold it to the surface, and this handle is for you to move to different locations. So we're going to start here first, and then we start here first, then we allow it to get flattened, and then the two other areas for us to put it at different strips. I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to put it to the surface, turn it this way so I can add it to the surface. Let me put the camera so you can see. Right there, put it in, and then we screw it on so it can stay firm. So when I'm feeding it, it doesn't move about. Alright, so it's sturdy. And then this is the side that we're going to use first, and we are going to feed. It actually has some tension around this side where you can move it to different level. Yeah, so I'm going to show you that as well. So I'm going to show you my pasta in a bit. Alright, let's go back. This is our dough and this is our rolling pin. So what we're going to do, we're going to dust the area, and we're going to dust the rolling pin. We're going to release the dough, and we're going to cut it in two, or maybe four. See? Alright. And we're going to work with one piece first. Let's put these back. And we're going to flatten it. Flatten the dough. Put a rolling pin. As best as possible. So we're going to cut off the edge. We're going to need that as well. And then we're going to feed it in. So let me put the camera closer. Alright, so this is it. Let me bring the camera closer. Or maybe I should put the camera here so you can see a little better. You're gonna put it in. I'm gonna feed it. You see it coming out at the bottom? Yeah. Camera is in my way. It's too close. Yeah. Stretch this. Go. So you see it longer. There you go. So so it gets longer. See, longer. And we're going to feed it in again. We're going to move the tension. Let's get really thin. See? This is it. Alright, so we're going to cut it now. So let me... Alright, so this is the long strip that we have. So I'm going to cut it in two. Yeah. And we're going to move the tension. Yeah. We're going to move the tension to the bigger one. And we're going to feed it in. You're able to see. Let me see. So we're going to cut it now. See, it's cut in. Put it closer to you so you can see. So this is a bigger cut. Alright, and it goes right down. And you cut it in strips. So we take up the strips and we're going to put it on the floor. So let me show you. We're going to spread it out on the dust area to dry for maybe 2-3 minutes, and then we're going to boil it. This is the thicker strip. There you go. Oops. Because we don't want it to stick together. But this come out really nice. Yeah, so we allow it to set, as I said, for 30 minutes. To be honest, I give it 25, but it's 30 minutes. And then we're going to do the next side, try the next strip and see. Right, so this will be the smaller cuts. So as I said, this will be the spaghetti one. Don't want the video to be too long, but just want to show you. Alright, so let me show you the finished touch now. Alright, so I need to pull these apart so you can see the small strips. These are the bigger ones, and these are the fine ones, the spaghetti. We call it spaghetti. So you see one little thin strips. Let me put it beside this one so we can compare it, because I have to pull it apart. There you go. All right, look at the two cuts now. So you see this one is fine and this one is bigger. Yeah, so we allow them to dry. So I'm going to cook this one different. So the spaghetti one, I'm going to cook that different. So it's fine. I just need to pull it apart. And then these are the bigger ones, see? So this is a strip. So if you put it against, let me put it against this so you can see. All right. So this is one of the spaghetti one, thin, and then this will be the pasta one. See? There you go. Hope you learn and hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.